Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for today's Just One Craft Project video. Today I'm going to show you how to take a palette and some paint sticks and a few other items to make this really cute stick tree. Now I'm taking 4 pieces of 1 gallon paint stick that I have cut at roughly 6.5, 5.5, 4, and about 2 3/4 in length. If you are wanting to do more pieces of your tree, then you can definitely make those in different sizes. But I'm going to paint the back side and all the edges of my 4 pieces with my white Waverly chalk paint. Next, I'm going to take my Antique Wax by Waverly and the mini palette and also a piece of a 5-gallon paint stick. You could use a piece of a 1-gallon paint stick if you wanted. This is just what I had on hand. And I'm going to darken those up with this Antique Wax, brushing it on or wiping it on with the baby wipe and then wiping off the excess. So this piece of 5-gallon paint stick is going to be the trunk of our tree. And then we're going to use this mini palette from Dollar Tree to be the base. Now you probably don't need this big of one. If you wanted to use the one that's a little bit smaller and more square, that would probably work just as well. Now I chose this piece of double-sided Christmas scrapbook paper from Michael's that I had in my stash for the little strips that are going to cover my 4 pieces of my tree. So measure how long your pieces of paint stick are and then cut a piece of scrapbook paper to fit on top, maybe slightly smaller. So I'm going to do the 2 sides with the flowers and the leaves, and then the other 2 pieces of my tree with the back side of the paper, which is this reddish pink with little, I think those are like poinsettia flowers. Next, I'm going to take this wooden star that I had in my stash. I honestly don't know where it's from. It's probably from Walmart, I think, but I am going to take this and I'm going to paint this with pink cloud. It's just a very non-traditional Christmas color, but it matches the colors in the scrapbook paper. So I am going to do both the front and the back and the side edges. Once the paint on my paint sticks is dry, I'm going to flip them over, and on the back side, I am going to brush on some Mod Podge and then take the strip of paper, press it down evenly on the piece of paint stick, and just kind of burnish it down a little bit. Make sure that it gets completely stuck down to the Mod Podge. And we'll do this for all 4 of the pieces. And once those are dry, I will put another layer of Mod Podge over the top of the paper. Now, once everything is dry, I'm just going to take some hot glue, and starting at the top of my trunk piece, I'm going to glue down the star first of all, and then each of my 4 pieces of my tree. Then once those pieces are on, we're going to put a little hot glue on the front and back of the base of our trunk. Slide that into that center slot on the mini palette there. Hold it in place for a few seconds until it is secure and standing up straight. And the last thing I'm going to do is just take some little bits and pieces of some Christmas greenery. Nothing too crazy because I'm trying to match the theme and motif of the scrapbook paper. So a little bit of sparkly green ivy there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this box. What do you call this? I can't remember what it's called. But anyway, it's a pretty common greenery, boxwood greenery, and then a little bit other piece of some Christmas greenery with some sparkly and some white little glittery balls. But of course, you can use whatever you'd like. You might choose to just do pine cones and greenery, maybe a couple small little packages, whatever you'd like to finish off this cute little mini palette paint stick Christmas tree. And here's our finished tree. I think it's so cute and simple. You could definitely make these in different sizes, different colors, whatever suits you. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. Please let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. And here are some other videos you can watch. Until next time, take care.